Ever wonder why some people seem to be building wealth effortlessly, while others are stuck living paycheck to paycheck? What if I told you that it's not about how much money you earn, but how you manage the money you already have? Building wealth is more about making the right decisions at the right time than having a massive salary. In today's video, we'll dive into 8 smart ways to build wealth, even if your income is just average. Stick around, because these practical tips will help you take control of your financial future and start building lasting wealth today. 1. Create and stick to a budget. Are you really tracking where your money goes each month? The first step to building wealth on an average salary is creating a budget. It's not just about cutting back on luxuries. It's about knowing exactly where your money is going and making conscious choices. By budgeting, you can prioritize savings and investment first, ensuring that you're consistently putting money towards building wealth. You don't have to live on a shoestring budget, but setting aside even a small portion of your income for savings each month can add up over time. It's essential to track your expenses regularly and adjust when necessary. Using apps or spreadsheets to help with this makes the process much easier. A well-planned budget ensures you're prepared for both expected and unexpected expenses. Tracking your spending not only helps you save, but also keeps you from falling into debt. Plus, when you stick to a budget, you'll see how small savings can gradually build a solid financial foundation. Being mindful of your financial habits today will help set you up for long-term success. 2. Build an emergency fund. What would you do if an unexpected expense hit today? Emergencies are unpredictable, but your financial response can be prepared. Building an emergency fund is key to financial stability. Aim to save 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in an accessible account, so you're not relying on credit cards or loans when things go wrong, like medical bills or car repairs. Start small if needed. Even setting aside a few $100s can be a huge relief when an emergency hits. Over time, increase your contributions as you get more comfortable with saving. Having an emergency fund provides peace of mind and allows you to stay financially secure in tough situations, preventing you from derailing your long-term savings goals. 3. Invest consistently in the stock market. You don't need to be wealthy to invest in the stock market. Even with an average salary, you can grow your wealth significantly by investing regularly. The key is consistency. Start by investing small amounts, whether it's a portion of your paycheck or a fixed amount every month. The earlier you start, the more your money can grow thanks to compound interest, where your money earns money over time. You don't have to pick individual stocks or time the market. Instead, invest in low-cost index funds or ETFs that diversify your portfolio and reduce risk. Setting up automatic transfers to your IRA or 401k is a great way to make investing effortless. The more you invest, the more your wealth will grow, even with modest contributions. By staying consistent and investing for the long term, you can build a solid foundation for your financial future, regardless of how much you earn today. 4. Buy a home. Does owning a home really make you wealthier? The answer is yes, and here's why. Purchasing a home is a long-term wealth-building strategy. While renting might seem like the easier option, owning a home allows you to build equity, a valuable asset that appreciates over time. Each month, as you make your mortgage payment, you're not just paying for a place to live. You're slowly increasing your ownership in an asset that will likely increase in value. Real estate is one of the most stable investments because it offers protection against inflation and tends to increase in value over time. Even modest homes can appreciate significantly, and once your mortgage is paid off, the home becomes a valuable asset. But it's not just about the home's value. Owning a property gives you more financial security than renting. Instead of paying rent to a landlord with no return, you're investing in a property you own. It also offers a potential for passive income if you decide to rent it out in the future. Even with an average income, buying a home can be a great way to start building long-term wealth and financial independence. 5. Manage your debt effectively. If you're serious about building wealth, managing your debt effectively is key. High-interest debt, particularly from credit cards, can quickly pile up and erode your ability to save and invest. The first step to managing your debt is paying off the most expensive debt first, such as credit cards, using the debt avalanche method. This strategy helps you tackle the debts with the highest interest rates first, saving you money in the long run. Once you've cleared your high-interest debt, it's important to use low-interest loans strategically. For example, financing an investment property with a lower interest rate can work in your favor, especially if the property generates rental income. Managing your debt responsibly frees up more of your income, allowing you to put extra funds towards savings and investments. When you eliminate debt, your money starts working for you instead of against you. But remember, the goal isn't just to eliminate debt. It's to make smart financial decisions that will allow you to build wealth steadily over time. 6. Create micro-income streams. What if your salary wasn't your only source of income? Many wealthy individuals build multiple income streams, even if their main job doesn't pay a huge salary. You can do the same by starting side gigs, freelancing, or exploring passive income opportunities. The more income streams you create, the more financial security you'll have. This could include renting out a room on Airbnb, investing in peer-to-peer lending, or even starting a blog or YouTube channel. While these micro-income streams might seem small at first, over time, they can build a diversified portfolio of cash flow sources. The beauty of these streams is that they're flexible. You can scale them at your own pace. Additionally, multiple income sources protect you from financial setbacks and allow you to build wealth at a faster pace. You don't have to rely solely on one paycheck. By diversifying your income, you're building a more resilient financial foundation that will support your wealth-building efforts for years to come. 7. Leverage community-based investing. Would you consider investing with your friends or neighbors? Community-based investing is a growing trend where people pool their resources to invest in real estate, businesses, or even startups. This strategy helps lower the barriers to entry for larger investments, enabling you to take part in opportunities you might not be able to afford on your own. For example, a group of families might decide to invest in a rental property together, sharing both the costs and the rewards. By pooling your resources, you can also take advantage of collective bargaining power, potentially securing better deals on investments. Community-based investing also helps you diversify your portfolio without taking on all the risk yourself. It's an innovative way to build wealth as you and your community work together to grow your financial futures. 8. Invest in alternative assets. What if traditional investments like stocks and bonds aren't the only way to build wealth? In addition to conventional investments, alternative assets such as collectibles, luxury items, or even NFTs, non-fungible tokens, are becoming more popular. These assets offer unique opportunities for growth, and if you're passionate about them, they could become a valuable part of your wealth-building strategy. For instance, you can invest in rare art, vintage cars, high-end watches, or other tangible collectibles that appreciate over time. But it's important to do your research before jumping into this market. While alternative investments can provide returns that outpace inflation, they come with their own risks. However, when done right, these assets can offer a unique way to diversify your portfolio. If you're into specific hobbies or industries, alternative investments may give you the chance to turn your passion into wealth. There you have it, 8 smart ways to build wealth, even with an average income. By starting small, making consistent efforts, and using the right strategies, anyone can achieve financial success. Whether it's through managing debt, investing wisely, or exploring alternative assets, the key is to stay proactive and focus on your financial goals. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more actionable advice on building wealth and securing your financial future. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.